This is my Winchester Model 24. Finally, I got it in working condition. So we're gonna take its first test fire here today. We're gonna see what happens. I have a lot of hope that everything will work. Cocking slide and forearm shoe are having a little bit of a fit, but no, they'll work together if we just do it real slow. So I'm gonna hold this, do a little crack, slowly lever it open, and we're looking good. So the Winchester Model 24, it's a really good target practice noob shooter gun because every time you open up the breech, it's gonna throw it to safe. So I feel a little bit safer doing this. And I'll hold the lever. And the ejectors just seat them right in there.
And it closes.
And it closes and we are safe.
So Tony's had this gun for like 3-4 months and it has been broken. He sent it to a repairman at a good smith shop and they did not know what they were doing. He waited about a month or more and he got it back and he figured out the solution himself.
I figured it out. So.
Let's see if it'll fire.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay, we're on safe. I'm just gonna go for that orange cone up there. I've never shot a gun this old. This is my oldest gun that I've shot. Safety off. I'll do the first trigger, and it is a double trigger, so I'll do the first trigger first and then the second. I've noticed the second one's a little bit lighter on the pull, so let's see here. Gonna get real tight on the shoulder. Don't know how. Let's see. All right, going down range. Firing. Oh, man. Oh. All right, second lever. Firing.
Woo!
All right,
that's
now
great.
I'm gonna extract these very slow. Over, throws it to safe. A little bit of force. Pull down slow. Ooh-wee! I'm happy with this right here. Good smell. Slides out perfectly. I've cleaned this thing to high hell. I've done such a big cleaning detail job on this, but I haven't done anything advanced like bluing or anything. It needs some woodwork. It's a little worn on this side, but wow. Just so clean. And this barrel, it's nice. Oh, what a great first test fire. I am pretty satisfied with that.
How old is this shotgun? It's like 1940, 1941 or something?
40s. I want to say 42 to 47, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
On the serial number here we got, it says 1947-1.
Oh, okay.
And I've seen some online that are in like the 30,000s. So I think this is the serial number 19,000.
Yeah, I hit it.
Nice.
Now the second trigger.
Wow. What? Winchester 12 gauge. Not much.
Oh God, no. Watch out, dude. Pull it back. Check to see if there. Your eyes.
Oh, there's so much weight. Nope.
Only one, okay.
Yeah, boy.